Hey everyone, welcome back to Med TV. Today we are diving into an important concept in chemistry, Dalton's law of partial pressure. So, what is Dalton's law of partial pressure? Dalton's law of partial pressure states that the total pressure exerted by a mixture of non-reacting gases is equal to the sum of the partial pressure of individual gases. So, think of it like this. If you have several gases in a container, so let's say this is our container here, and we have gas A, we have gas B, we have gas C, we have gas D, a lot of or several gases. Let's say N continuous. Now, each of these gases contribute to its own pressure. So let's say the pressure of we have pressure of A, pressure of B, pressure of C, and pressure of N, which N represents any gas at all. And when you add all these pressures together, we get the total pressure. So we have the total pressure, T, should be equal to the pressure of A plus the pressure of B plus the pressure of C plus the pressure of any other gas at all that you can add to it. And this is the mathematical form of Dalton's law of partial pressure. Now, let's go to some real world example. We all know that air is a mixture of gases, mainly nitrogen, oxygen, and other small amount of other gases like carbon dioxide. Now, each of these gases exert its own pressure, and when you add them together, you get the atmospheric pressure. For instance, we have nitrogen, which contains about 78%. We have oxygen, which also contains 21%, and the rest of them, of the other gases, are sum up to make the air that we. So air is a mixture of gases. Now to visualize this, let's say I have two balloons here. This balloon here, right? And this balloon contains oxygen gas. This balloon contains nitrogen gas here. Now, when we measure the pressure of each gas that exert on this balloon, so let's say I measure the pressure of this oxygen and I got 2 atm, and I measure the pressure for nitrogen and I got 3 atm, right? Now, when I add these two gases together, so let's say I have this container and I transfer all these two gases here, right? Now, each of these gases will exert its own pressure, and when I add all these two gases together, I should get 5. So this will be the total pressure that will be exerted on this container. And this is the sum of the partial pressure of each gases here. Now let's take some practical examples. So in problem 1, we have a container that holds 0.5 atm of hydrogen, 0.2 atm of oxygen, and 0.1 atm of carbon dioxide. What is the total pressure? Feel free to pause this video and try to do it. So let's say we first state our Dalton's law. So the total pressure should be equal to the sum of partial pressures of each gases. So the partial pressure of hydrogen here plus the partial pressure of oxygen gas plus the partial pressure of CO2 here. And when you add them together, you should get a total pressure. So 0.5 plus 0.2 plus 0.1 here. When we add them together, we should get 0.8 atm. And this is our total pressure. Let's go to problem 2. If you have the partial pressure of gases in a mixture, or if the partial pressure of gases in a mixture are 1.5 atm, 0.8 atm, and 2.2 atm, what is the total pressure? You can also feel free to pause this video and try to do it. So the total pressure is equal to the sum of individual pressures. So pressure of gas A plus pressure of gas B plus the pressure of gas C. We have 1.5 plus 0.8 here plus 2.2 here. And when you sum all these pressures together, we should get 4.5 atm. And this will be our total pressure here. Let's go to our problem 3. So in our problem 3, we have a gas mixture contains 1 mole of helium at 1 atm and 2 moles of argon at 2 atm in a 10 liters container. Calculate the total pressure. Also feel free to pause this video and try to do it. Right. So the total pressure should be equal to the sum of the partial or individual pressures. So pressure of helium here. So pressure of helium plus the pressure of argon here. And when you sum all them together, so we have 2 plus 1 here, and we should get 3 atm. So this is the end of this video. If you have any question, drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Med TV for more chemistry lessons. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.